Hey Python programmers. So in this video, we'll write a program to check number representation is a binary or not. So we will not check the base of any number, but let's say we have some number, something like 1 0 0 1 2. Then as we know that only like binary representation only contains number in 1 or 0 format, right? So this is not the correct binary representation. Let's say we have something like 0010, then we know that this is the representation, binary representation of number 2. So this is the correct representation. Okay, so now we'll write a program. So first we'll take the input from the user and we'll assign that so let's say we are having number variable, a num variable, and then we'll take the integer input from the user, and let's say we are writing something like a number, enter a number, okay. And now what we'll do, let's say we have something like 1100 number, and now we'll check all the digits from the last index or last like from the backward side we'll take the digits, okay. So uh, now we'll take one while loop. So let's say we'll reduce our number by this digits, okay. And let's say we have a number which is greater than, we got the number which is greater than 0, okay. Then we'll simply uh, which is less than 0, then we'll not uh, like uh, will be outside of this while loop, okay. So now let's say while number is greater than 0, then what we'll do, we'll take the last digit of the number, okay. So let's say we are having j variable, and we will say num modulo 10, okay. So this will give us a last digit of our number, and then we'll check if j is not equal to 0, and if j is not equal to 1, means in our number there is some different digit, okay, not 0 or 1. So simply we can just print that this is not the correct, okay, correct binary or representation, okay. And we can just break our while loop here as well, okay. So now this is fine. So now if this is not the case, means we are having like that number is in a binary digit, okay. Then that digit is in binary format, then we will check for another remaining number, okay. So now we can just say num is equal to num divided by 10. So now we will have only this a portion of number, okay. Then suppose like if at the end we got num by dividing that number by 10 we got 0, then we can just simply say that if number is equal to 0, then we can just print that number is number is uh, number is binary, okay. So at the end, binary representation, okay. I'm just writing number is binary. So now let's print our num here for our debugging purpose. Now I'll just print uh, my num, okay, uh, num here, okay. Now we'll run our program, and now I will pass 110 1120, okay. So as you can see that this is not the correct binary representation, okay. So this is not going in this if condition, but here it is breaking, right. So now let's say we have something like 1011, and now let's run our program again, okay. And now I'm passing 1 1 0 1. And as you can see that here we first we had a this kind of portion remaining, so we are printing 110, then 11, then 1, and at the end, after dividing that number, means at the end we will have something like this, 1 remaining. Okay, and now we have divided that by 10, so it will give us a 0, means it will go in this if condition. Okay, and now this is the case. At the end we can just print that this is the binary number. Okay, so I hope you understood this logic. If you did, then please do subscribe. If you have any doubts, then let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Then keep learning. Bye bye.